In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Goddess Provisions monthly subscription box. So let's just get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave. That way you'll never miss out on another video. I thought I'd do something fun. So Goddess Provisions actually reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to unbox this on my channel, their December monthly subscription box. Now, you guys know I love my spiritual stuff. The spiritual tools, candles, all crystals, like all that stuff. And this box is filled with these. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. Grab yourself a drink. Grab yourself a coffee, tea, wine, rum, whatever is your cup of tea. And let's get started. I'm really excited. We're just gonna open it on camera. I don't think I've done, yeah, I have done a few unboxings, but never something like this. So Goddess Provisions, you get 5 to 7 full-size items in your box. You get everything from crystals, aromatherapy, snacks, apothecary, tea, spiritual tools, all my jam. Like, you know, that's right up my alley. I love those things. There's $80 to $100 worth of things in here, and the box is only $33 a month. So we'll get into the box and see if it is worth it or not. Let's see. It also ships worldwide, which is a big plus. It's $33 a month, I already said that, cruelty-free, and it's vegan. And for every box sold, they do plant a tree. So that's actually really sweet. Let's see, I'm gonna cover my, well, you guys won't see my address when I show you this, but right when you open it, I see it. Oh, I'm so excited. There are some goodies in here. So this is what the box looks like. Oh, they have Ganesh. You guys see that? It's so cute. The box is actually really cute, well thought out. The little graphics are really, really cute. They have the geometry, sacred geometry patterns. I like that. Really pretty. Okay. The first thing I'm going to take out is this. It says Humoon. Let's see, let's unbox it and let's see. So I already did have a few drinks. I was actually cleaning the house, getting ready for Christmas, because I have my mom and my boyfriend's mom are going to be spending Christmas with us, my grandma. So it's gonna be just the ladies and one gentleman, which is my boyfriend. So I just wanted to clean the house. I love to drink when I clean, so I'm a little bit tipsy, but you guys won't mind, right? Grab yourself a drink with me, you know, if it's your thing. All right, so it looks like this is a, it's a diffuser. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so you put your water in here and your essential oils in here, and then you can just put this in here and plug it in, and it's a USB plug-in, and you turn it on. Wow, you guys, that is so cute. I have a humidifier in my bedroom that I've been turning on lately with eucalyptus oil because I've been sick, and this is gorgeous. I think actually my cats are really gonna enjoy this because they love when the water comes out. They just stare at it, and it keeps a nice light throughout the night so that I can see where my cat is, because a lot of the times she sleeps right, well, I have 2 cats and one of them sleeps right by my feet, and so sometimes I end up kicking her when I turn or toss and turn, and so with the light I can actually get up and see where she is so I don't end up kicking her. So this is really nice, and it's the moon, you guys. This is really nice. Like, this in itself is worth $33, I'm sure. You know, like, this is a really good, I'm really happy with just the first thing that I opened. Okay, the next thing I see is wrapped up right here in a paper bag. And then, oh, it's like a kitchen towel. Actually, you could use this as a tapestry too. So maybe, I don't know, you guys expect to see this in like the background of some future readings. Really cute. Do you see that? All the moon phases. Oh, the little moon. Yeah, so I'm expecting to be moving soon. So I hope that that happens. And this is gonna come with me. It could be like the perfect new kitchen towel for me. So I think I'm gonna save that. I'm not gonna use it. It's really, really cute. Okay, so here I have, it says Moon Wisdom Crystal. So this is kind of heavy. It comes in a baggie. What is this? If you guys have tried this subscription box, or if you guys have seen other YouTubers like in the spiritual community unbox these, let me know, because I would love to see what other people think of the box. So far, surpasses my expectations, really surpasses that $33 monthly. Oh, these are really cute. To do like divinations, I'm not sure what crystal this is, but if you guys can see, do you guys see? It has like the moon phases, all the moon phases. So we have the full moon right there, you know, waxing, waning, really cute. So actually, you know what, you guys, the next time I do my readings, like just to make it aesthetically pleasing, I'm gonna use these. And even like the crystals that we put on top, so you guys can pick which crystal you're drawn to for the reading. I could use these, and you could actually do divination, because waxing moon has its own meanings, waning moon has its own, full moon, new moon, everything has its own symbolism. So I think actually these would go really well with readings for you guys. Already, like, this surpasses that $33. Like, are they making any money? All right, the next thing I see is a bath bomb. So this is La Luna Luxury Bath Bomb. Ooh, it smells like sage. It smells like sage. I don't have a bath, but hopefully when I move, I do. So I'll save this for that. But here's another thing. So whenever you come across something, like for example, like I don't have a bathtub, but I received a bath bomb. So for me, I always take things as the universe telling me certain things. So I have been wanting to actually just relax and take a bath for a really long time, but I don't have a bathtub. So what I usually like to do is book a trip somewhere, like either Airbnb, a hotel that has like a bathtub, and I'll go there with my boyfriend, and we might even take our little doggy with us, and then I will use bath bombs there, and I'll take a bath there, just relax for the weekend, get some work done, you know, explore the area wherever we go. It just make a fun trip out of it, all because I wanted to take a bath. So I feel like I wanted to tell you guys that, because it's really important for you guys to do that. Like, don't limit yourself. Say you wanted to take a bath and you don't have a bathtub. Like, make a trip out of it or something. Like, do something out of it, you know? Like, say you're craving hot chocolate and you don't have it at home. Make something fun out of it. You know, call up your boyfriend, girlfriend, your best friend, your mom, your dad, and be like, hey, let's go out for some hot chocolate. Just when you get that craving, when you get that inspiration, when you get that nudge, follow it, because it's the universe just taking you somewhere, you know? It's the universe saying, hey, you need this. So that's how I take this. Like, bath bomb, universe is saying, hey, take a trip. So yeah, the next thing that I see is from Fierce Forward Jewelry, and actually this is really cute. Crescent moon necklace. Do you guys see that? Hold on. Right there. Really, really cute. I expect to see me wearing this. So this card says, I created Fierce Forward Jewelry to empower women to live with intention, be your fiercest self, and never ever give up. And it has all of her information here. So it's Fierce Forward Jewelry. If you guys are interested in purchasing, this is really, really cute. Really cute. Nice and dainty and feminine. The crescent moon brings forth, to bring forth, to create, to grow, to thrive. Wear your crescent moon necklace to harness your greatness within and create from your goddess heart. I really love this. Like, they put in a lot of thought into this. They put in a lot of just love into it. You can feel it. You can feel the energy of how they packaged it, the colors of their business card, and the necklace overall is very beautiful. Very beautifully thought out, and also the packaging. I love this. Like, I would support this company for sure. And the last thing I see in here, actually two more things. Oh, this is like, you planted a tree for every box sold. Rate your box and win. So you could rate your box and win more things. They love to recycle. They have a monthly giveaway. A Refer a Goddess program. So if you refer somebody, you get incentives. Artists love, enjoy more art from this month's featured artist. Oh, that's really awesome. I actually really love supporting local artists and smaller artists, because art is just, to each their own. And I feel like the artwork that I connect to, not a lot of people connect to it. By the way, if you guys are artists, please, 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 like, send me your work. I would love to look at it. I just, like, I love looking at smaller artists' work, and maybe we can even collaborate somehow. Like, we can do something, you know? It has healing minerals, and it's scented with calming chamomile essential oil. And actually, every single company that is like collaborating with this box, they give you a discount code. 20% off, 20% off, 20% off. Oh my God, you guys, the crystals, where is it? The moon crystals. These are worth $44. The whole set is $44. So that goes beyond the $33 monthly subscription amount. Then we have the necklace is $37. So already you're passing. You know what? I would really like to enjoy, like to enjoy. I've had a few. I would really like to subscribe to this box because the stuff that's in here, first of all, it's full size. There's nothing in here that is sample. It's full size, and then you get the discount codes. And then also, like, they're spiritual, they're natural, they are cruelty free and vegan, and the box is $33, but the stuff you get within the box goes far beyond $33. The dish towel is $8. The aromatherapy diffuser is $22. Wow. Oh, and you guys, so I've been really getting back into journaling lately. It's a huge, huge form of therapy for me. And here I see crystal moon, yeah, crystal and moon stickers. I will definitely be using this in my journal. Like, this makes me really excited to journal. I love this. Crafting Witch is the person or the company that is doing these stickers. And this is $5 for these beautiful stickers. I'm gonna check them out and maybe even purchase more from them. This is from Crafting Witch stickers. And I'm gonna check them out for sure. The box smells like sage. I love that. Like, I love that. If you guys shop from my store, my Etsy shop, and you guys receive your packages, I'm sure that you guys smell herbs all over the packages because I'm always saging and lighting incense and Palo Santo, camphor. Like, if you guys get your packages, I'm sure it smells so earthy and so just herbally. What else is in here that I want to tell you guys the prices of? Yeah, that's basically it. Monthly mantra. I find my flow as I tune into my rhythm cycles and seasons. I love this. I'm so glad they reached out to me. I'm so happy that they wanted to work with me. This is amazing and I love it. And I wanted to share with you guys. I want to do something a little bit more fun. Let me know if you guys like these unboxings. Let me know if you guys want me to create my own box so you guys can purchase on Etsy, because this is exciting. This gives me ideas. This inspires me. So the energy of this box is really, really good too. It's very inspirational, motivational, fun, exciting, very good, high quality items. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.